people talk at a short distance, they can hear each other clearly. But when they are far apart, the voice becomes weak and disappears. Let's imagine used a simple tool, a tin and a string. When someone speaks into one tin, the sound travels through the string. But what carries the voice from one tin to the other? The answer is vibration. Sound travels as waves. However, sound waves cannot travel very far by themselves. So we use carrier signal to carry the sound over long distances. This process is called modulation. There are three types of modulation: amplitude modulation, AM, frequency modulation, FM, and phase modulation, PM.
Amplitude modulation, or AM, is a method used to send sound using radio waves. It is a reliable system commonly used in global radio broadcasting. In AM, the frequency stays the same, but the height, or amplitude, of the wave changes. Higher waves represent louder sounds, while lower waves represent softer sounds. AM is highly effective for long-distance communication and emergency broadcasts. It is also widely used in aircraft communication systems due to its long-range signal. While it can be sensitive to noise, the core message remains clear over vast distances. That is the simple and powerful way amplitude modulation works.
Have you ever wondered how your favorite song travels from a radio station to your car stereo without any wires? A big part of that magic is thanks to something called frequency modulation, or FM. Frequency is just how fast a radio wave vibrates. You can think of it like musical pitch. A high frequency is a high note. A low frequency is a low note. Modulation means to change or to control. So, frequency modulation means we're hiding information in a radio wave by carefully wobbling its pitch up and down. A perfect real-world example is FM radio itself. Your voice or a song isn't sent directly. Instead, it's used to control the pitch of a very fast, inaudible radio wave. The radio wave's frequency dances exactly in time with the music. Your car radio then listens to this dance of the pitch, ignores the carrier note, and extracts the original music for you to hear. The most famous use is 88 until 108 MHz. Other than that, there are also two-way radios used by police, fire departments, and walkie-talkies. While FM itself is a classic technology, its principles are vital for modern advancements. One key area is digital radio, like DAB+. This takes the core idea of encoding information in frequency changes and makes it digital, packing more stations into less space with even better sound quality and extra data like song titles. The benefit to society is massive: more choice, efficient use of the airwaves, and robust signals for emergency alerts. It's a smarter, more efficient evolution of the FM concept. So, in short, FM is a clever, reliable way to send information by making a wave's pitch dance. It gives us clear radio, underpins modern digital broadcasts, and operates safely within a well-regulated spectrum that's been studied for generations. It's a brilliant piece of engineering that connects us all.
You know how a light switch turns on and off to send a signal? That's the basic idea behind pulse modulation. Instead of continuously changing a signal, we send information using quick bursts or pulses of energy. Think of it like clapping to a rhythm. The pattern of claps carries the message. In communication systems, these pulses represent bits of data that let our phones, satellites, and even Wi-Fi networks send information more efficiently. A major advancement today is pulse code modulation used in digital communication. It's what turns our voices into streams of binary code so we can video call across continents in real time. Newer versions are making this faster and more power efficient, helping reduce energy use in data centers and improving global connectivity. Some people worry that pulse signals from devices might harm health, but the pulses are just patterns in existing radio waves, not additional radiation. With proper regulations, they're perfectly safe for everyday use. So, the next time you stream a video or make a call, remember, it's all thanks to the clever rhythm of pulse modulation keeping the world connected.